This is the workflow from Coze.cn. Coze is a AI agent platform from ByteDance. This workflow is like you can drag, drop, and you can add all the plugins and like large language models and data, all kinds of things. Also include the images. So it starts from this start, and then I have one large language model which take the name of the heroes in the history, and then build his whole life like a 10 famous points or events from his life. After this one, I'm going to use another large language model based on the short description, generate a longer description, which using for generating images. Here I'm using a batch processes. Basically, inside there's one plugin it called generate image from prompts. So here I generate the prompts and load here generate images. After the image being generated, the next step of the flow will be generate the script or prompt for generating videos based on the current image. Then go output. This hasn't been finished. If it's finished, there will be another widget or plugins to generate video based on the prompt. But I can do the image to video manually from another website, which is also okay. Okay, now I just run this as a test, like I run, and it will start from here, start. And this is the king Li Shimin, who is the king of Tang Dynasty. Let's run it. You can see it's running and the data is flowing. Now is running the large language model to the 10 events, no errors, and it's not 10, it's 8. So it's like it's born year of 598, and in 18 he and follow his father rebelled and start the war and another war, blah blah, and he died in 51 years old. So this is like the short title for the 8 time period in his life. And here it shows the corresponding prompt to generate images. Is it like a baby wrapped with red clothes laying on the a wood basket? There are a lot of beautiful copper and some decoration treasuries. So it's this was like 18 years. He is wearing arm, holding a long sword, riding on a white horse. So basically, this will help you to generate images in the next step. And here it come in. So basically, the batch processes, since we have 8 descriptions, so it will generate 8 images here. Let's see the images. Okay, this the input and this the image. Here, yep, it's the baby was born, And the second one is when the king was in 18 years old. That shows he's riding a white horse. Yeah. And the third is when he was 20s. It's had a war. Yep. And the fourth is when he was 23 years old. He was wearing a black coat and standing on the gate of the city, holding the bow. This is weird. His hand is here, but while the bow is being pulled, this is not good. Number five, when he was 27 years old, become king and sitting wearing the golden suit, which for the king. Then six, when he was he was 40 years old, 30 years old. Seven, 40 years old. And the last one, he died in 51 years old. And next step, it will take the input from previous steps and generate the description for the video. Okay, this is the content which use the prompt for the images, and this is the title, and the output is how to make the video. It said the camera pull zoom in slowly and seeing a baby wearing a very beautiful suit and laying in the wood basket. So basically, it how you zoom in to the picture. And the next, same thing, like zoom in, and this is similar like what you described in the image. Yeah, the same thing. And they're all zoom in. Okay, let's load the website which convert the image into a short video. This is what I created before based on the prompt. So basically, zoom into the young king. And now let's do another way. Okay, let's do the number five. So basically, he is a king in the palace, and I'm going to save the image, and then I needed to here I need to load the image. It's recognizing the image, and then I needed just to copy paste this prompt for the video, which output from this plugin. Okay, image here, and put my prompt of this. Okay, now I generate. So there are some other software or website can do the similar thing, which generate the videos from the image. Oh, I was wrong. I'm not going to generate the image. It's generated a video. Yeah, if you pick generate image, it will generate four different images based on your prompt. But I want video. Here shows video in 5 seconds. Okay, that's the video. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's not bad.